Nuestra Señora de Caridad de Bantay. Fondly called as Reina de Ilocandia, the image of Nuestra Señora de Caridad of Bantay, Ilocosur is considered the oldest venerated Marian image of Ilocandia. The image bears a belt that resembles that of Our Lady of Consolation, the patroness of the Augustinian order, who were assigned in the region for missionary work. For many years, the Virgin has showered innumerable favors among her Ilocano children, saving them from imminent dangers and helping them in their necessities, that she earned the title Our Lady of Charity. In 1968, a year that will never be forgotten by the Ilocano people, the original ivory head and hands of the Virgin was stolen. But through the generosity of the Archdiocesan Museum, a faithful replica was donated. On January 12, 1956, the image of Apo Caridad de Bantay was pontifically crowned under the pontificate of Pope Pius XII. Today, the devotion to Apo Caridad is very much felt at her archdiocesan shrine, the parish of St. Augustine of Hippo in Bantay, Ilocosur.